Are you also tired of searching for free LinkedIn premium subscription tricks everywhere? Well, I found a website where LinkedIn's premium subscription plan is available at 90% discount, but we wanted it for free, right? Just think, if there were really such tricks and hacks, then wouldn't everyone have LinkedIn premium today? So if you want a 100% genuine subscription at the most discounted price, which is almost free, then watch this video carefully without skipping. First, you need to search for sesito.com. After that, go to the services and click other services. Now you need to add LinkedIn Premium to your cart. Then go into your cart and check out. Now you will fill in all these details here and make the payment. As soon as you make the payment, you will receive a LinkedIn Premium activation link in your email. You need to click on this link. Once you click on the link, a portal like this will open in front of you. Now you need to click on Activate Offer. Then click on Continue. Again click on Continue. And again Continue. Finally click on Done. Your normal LinkedIn account has been successfully upgraded to a premium account.